So dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if Facebook news feed not loading, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. Mostly it happened because your internet connection just interrupt, and that's why it can't load your news feed. So just check internet connection. So just go to the settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just turn off and turn on again. So just reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Also, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps too. And if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again in the mobile data. And if you still have this error, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown. Just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just go to the general again, the settings, just scroll down, just find here reset, and just try to reset network settings. So just tap on reset network settings. And if it doesn't help you too, you just need to go to the general again, just find here software update, just tap on it, and now if you have available updates, just download and install the latest iOS on your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you too, you just need the latest variant. So just check your updates for your Facebook app. So just go to App Store, just write in App Store in search tab Facebook, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and just download and install the latest updates on your Facebook app on iPhone. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, write comments, click like, and goodbye.